back, guys. So what you have to do is to tap on the link in the description box. Okay, it will take you to this page, and then you just have to enter your phone number. So let me enter my phone number. Sorry, you have to start with a 0. Okay, so 0559. Sorry, I have to blur this side for you guys. Okay, after entering your number, then you tap on grab this bonus. Okay, I've already registered, so you can see it says error. So what you have to do is to tap on the download button. Okay, so you just have to download the app, and then you sign up. Okay, before you can grab your bonus or anything like that. Okay, yeah, so you can see I've already installed the app, so it has taken me to the home page of the app. Okay, yes, so PalmPay has been around since 2013 there. Okay, yeah, it's very helpful. I joined PalmPay, that was in 2020. Okay, yes, at first they were using the old Ghana this one voters ID. Okay, so I use my grandmother's voters ID, so the name is not actually my name. You can see Edu over there. That's my name, my granny's name, so I use Edu. Okay, so for you have to register it first. You can see, but that's my nickname over there, right? I have to blend this side. I don't want to disclose my number too. Okay, guys, yes, so you can see it is Justina Edu. Okay, yes, so what you have to do is to upgrade to tier 2. Okay, you just have to tap on your profile, and then you tap on upgrade. That's you have to upgrade before you can refer others, so that they can join, and then when they register you also get money. Okay, and then upgrading to tier 2 is not difficult. You just have to use your Ghana card on everything. Okay, yes, and then they will also send you verifying is very easy. Okay, yes, so you can see when you register first, they will give you 16 Ghana cedis. That's free for you. Okay, yes, so you just have to invite 2 friends. When they sign up, make sure they sign up before, because for each person that you invite for a very successful sign up, you get 2 cedis. Okay, so when you invite 2 people, you get 4 cedis, adding up to 20 cedis, and then you can withdraw the 20 cedis. Okay, yes, so if you're enjoying this video, make sure you subscribe for me, and also you like the video. Okay, thank you. So you can see if I check my history, you can see say PalmPay referral reward, I've gotten like 16 cedis. Yes, so that's the 16 cedis that they will give it to you. If I check my redeem points, you can see I have redeemed what 20 cedis. Okay, yes, so guys, that's it. That's how to sign up. So make sure you tap on a link in the description box. Okay, yes, because if you download the app straight, you will not get the bonus point like this. Okay, that's a trick over here. Now let's go to how to withdraw. So you just have to tap on the refer and earn from the home page, and then just tap on to take you to this page, and then you tap on redeem. Okay, so now I have 20 cedis over here, so let me try and redeem it. So you just have to tap on redeem, and then it will prompt you to add a number. Okay, I'm using MTN, so I'll choose MTN, and then I'll just enter my number. So I have to blend this side for you guys, so I'm very sorry. I don't want to disclose my number. Okay, so I just have to enter my number, and then momo account. Let me choose MTN because I'm using MTN. Okay, then you wait for it to load. And now you can see this amount is for 20 cedis. Redeem, then just have to tap on redeem 20 cedis. You can also wait for your friends to sign up, and then we can redeem it at 35 or 50 Ghana. Okay, yes, so let me just enter my pin. Okay, yes, I have done the settings, so I just have to enter the pin anytime I want to withdraw or anything like that. This redeem processing, you can redeem cash, blah blah blah, so you just have to close it. Okay, I've redeemed your 20 CDs. So now let me check. Let me go back and check my history. Okay. So if I go back and tap on my, sorry, I have to go back again. So you tap on refer on an N, and then let me check my history. Yeah, that's at the rightmost top corner value. Okay. Sorry, slow. My connection is a bit slow. So let me tap on redeem. You can see so it's processing. Now you can see it came. Say payment received for 20 CDs from Pampy. I just did that. That was last night and it came this morning. So it takes less than a few hours. Okay, thank you very much.